about to show you my master bedroom. Keep in mind, it is under construction. We have yet to finish this room. We've just gotten it painted, and we just put the headboard back there, but the rest needs a lot of work. Ready, set, go. Boom. Okay, so that's our headboard, right? Those are 2 mirrors that I picked up at Target for like $5.99 a piece, and I'm going to be gluing. I want to glue onto the back because it doesn't have any way to hang it or mount. So I'm going to take some E6000 and I'm going to glue each side so that I can hang those up on either side as like little mirrors. And then I'm going to be redoing these nightstands that you see on both sides. Then I have some decor that's going to go up there, and I'm going to be making some pillows to go there. Then I have, these are all the clothes that I am donating and have gone through, and then there are some up there that I still need to figure out what I'm doing with that. I've got these lamps that I'm getting recovered, so as you can see, one shade's missing there because I'm just measuring it out for fabric. I've got my new curtains there that need to go up, and my new curtain rods, because as you can see, that is a very limpy job. I've got the rest of the flooring being stored in here for the bathroom area that's not finished because that part's not done, and some workout equipment, yoga mats, weights and such there to go with our gym here, all of our extra bars, weights, such there. Our trim also needs to be mounted back on. Some stuff of the kids. Let's just take a moment to enjoy my nails there, right? Anyways, then the kids stuff there, memorabilia, games that I need to find a place for, our dresser and stuff, some wedding stuff there, stuff that needs to be dusted, don't know what that is, yada yada yada. My grandmother's old writing desk that I had painted and redone that I need to kind of touch up and seal a little better. And then I have some stuff here that needs to be set up and lighting that needs to be done to turn this into my makeup area, because as you can see here, I've got some stuff there. So lots of cleaning that needs to be done. It is a hot mess. Don't judge. Okay. But yeah, so somehow we need to make this work. For the mirrors, guys, I am literally just stapling twine to the back of them. Simple enough because I decided I didn't want to go ahead with the E6000 in case I wanted to switch the direction or change it up or do whatever. This would give me more options. Now, I clearly need to clean the mirrors, but they do look relatively even. Woo! Alright, well, we are getting ready to hang our curtains here, the ones that I picked up a while back that were on like clearance. And we're going to hang them up over there. And don't mind the mess, is still the flooring for the rest of the bathroom that we haven't finished yet. And then there's our headboard for now, and we're still doing some more work in here. But for now. up our curtains, what we like to do is pre-drill our holes first, and then we like to use these special drywall anchors that hold between 25 and 50 pounds depending on the size you get. The skinnier ones we use for these lightweight type of curtains, but if you have heavier duty curtains, we recommend using the 50-pound weight ones. It's pretty easy though. You can just measure again, because it's kind of like that whole measure twice before cutting thing. And then you also want to check with a level to make sure that you're getting your things up and down. I like to use the actual piece that I'm going to be using as a guide. So I decided to move my vanity over here by these two windows so that way I can open up these curtains here and get a lot of natural light when I'm doing my makeup, because I find that in my bathroom it's like a dungeon, and the hardest thing I do is try to get light for my makeup. I feel like I look orange or have two tones, or one side is better than the other when I go out. So yada yada yada, here it is. A little update so far. I have hung the mirrors, we've got that up. I've kind of put up just some little things, knickknacks, cleared that area there. Trying to get a little more organized, kind of moved all the flooring to there for now. But otherwise, we've gotten most of the space cleared out. Cleaned up mostly-ish. So yeah, still lots and lots to go. Guys, one of the main reasons that we're redoing our little home gym area here is because we just redid our floors here, and it is a laminate top, so that that means that we don't want any of our weights to accidentally fall and dent or damage the flooring here. So what is really important is that we put these type of foam mats underneath that will give us a designated workout area, and it'll also protect our flooring. So that's why that is key here for this particular area. I picked these up at the At Home store for, I think it was like 15 bucks a piece basically, and there's a 4-pack of them, and so I picked up 4 for 16 pieces total. Wasn't sure how many I would need here. At first I tried using 3, and I did a 3x3, kind of like a 9 square usage area, and then I ended up adding in an additional 3 more to the side because I wanted it to be much wider, so that way I could pull the weight bench out a little bit and we had room to actually move our arms up and down without worrying about hitting the walls, because you want to take that kind of spatial part into consideration. Well guys, that's it. That is part 2 of our master bedroom makeover so far. So you got to see just a little bit of our decor, adding in our curtains and then our little bit of our home gym makeover. I still need to add up a couple of things up on the walls here, which I will put up on display, some of our exercise portraits and boards and like things like that. And then I have some other DIYs I'm going to do in part 3, along with new bedding and some more surprises. Stay tuned.